What's up guys, welcome to my video Galaxy S25 Ultra 45W charging. Okay guys, this is Samsung original charger 45W. To get more videos, don't forget subscribe my channel Pen ST. Okay, original product from Samsung. And this is USB-C cable 5M. Okay, now start to test. Okay, it takes 1 hour and 7 minutes. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Drop comment down below. See you guys in the next video. Peace.